Okay guys, welcome back. This is going to be my gold and silver update for May 2015, and I'm just going to cover very quickly. Obviously we had our huge run up 2011, then a consolidation that happened, and I'm going to draw that about here. Then we had a breakdown and another consolidation, or gold tried to consolidate at around these levels in here. And then we always start with gold, of course, because gold is the main driver for precious metals, whether gold or silver. Then we had a sort of a wedge that is starting to form, I think, and that covers this level in here. What gold and silver, or gold does from here, my pick, again, would be that it will break up, but I cannot see the future, and so I do not know, but I would say that it will break up from here. Let's have a quick look at silver. Silver again, after the massive high up here, we had a consolidation that happened through these levels. That broke down a little bit. Silver again tried to consolidate through here. That broke down again a little bit too. And then we have a new consolidation that I'm going to draw at about here. And if gold breaks up, then I believe that silver will break out of that consolidation as well. A Huey, I mean, they all tell a fairly similar story. The Huey, gold fell back. The Huey thought, oh, maybe it's only going to pull back and take off again. It kind of seemed to be consolidating through here, but of course when gold broke down, the Huey did too, and we had that huge drop down. Now when gold started to consolidate around this level here, the Huey did as well. Of course they both broke down, and I would say similar to gold, that we are getting a bit of a wedge that is forming in here, and that if gold breaks up, then the Huey will too, and it has a long way to go. In my opinion, is way oversold. Since I live in New Zealand, I like to also look at what is happening in New Zealand dollars. Looks a little bit different in New Zealand dollars. Yes, we had the big run up in 2011. Yes, we had the big pullback that also took gold down in New Zealand dollar terms. But I would say that we have a trend that is moving up with higher lows and higher highs. Yes, it has broken up out of that and came back into that channel, and it has broken down below that and has come straight back into that channel. And we are currently looking at a small breakout in New Zealand dollar terms. So it will be interesting to watch and see what happens with that over time. Okay, silver. I think I said it was golden last time. So silver looks slightly different in that we are getting a bit of a shallow, I would say probably a recovery if gold is breaking out, and that silver tends to lag gold, and if gold shows that it is a true breakout, then silver will follow, and that silver will fly up from here if gold is truly breaking out in New Zealand dollar terms. Of course, that is partly due to the New Zealand dollar weakening from where it was some time ago. Something that I like to look at, and that is gold in terms of the Dow Jones. Would point out here that back in 2011 in July, that it only took 6 ounces of gold to buy the Dow Jones, and there is a bit of a channel up through here, but I would say that that channel is possibly weakening, and that it will be very hard for the Dow Jones to continue to power high at this point, but it takes currently 15.13 ounces of gold to buy the Dow Jones. If we get any sort of mean reversion, I would think that we would at least come back to somewhere in here where it will take only 10 ounces of gold to buy the Dow Jones. So again, if it was me, I would be selling general shares and buying gold and waiting for that mean reversion. I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to bringing a next update maybe in a week or so. Thank you very much.